Without product tags, your Magento customers struggle to find what they need, hurting your sales and frustrating shoppers. In this video, I'll show you how Magento product tags can organize your store, help customers find products faster, and increase your sales. So what exactly are product tags in Magento? Simply put, product tags are keywords or phrases that describe specific attributes or features of your products. Think of them as digital labels that help categorize and organize your inventory in ways that make sense to your customers. Unlike categories, which organize your products into broad groups, tags are more specific and focused on distinct product features. For example, while you might have a category called footwear, you could use tags like waterproof, hiking, leather, or sustainable to highlight specific attributes of different shoes. Let me show you what this looks like in a real Magento store. As you can see here, product tags typically appear below the product description on your storefront. Each tag functions as a clickable link that, when selected, displays all products associated with that particular tag. This creates an intuitive web of connections between your products, allowing customers to navigate your store based on features they care about rather than just categories. Benefits of product tags. Now that we understand what product tags are, let's look at why they're so valuable for your store. There are 4 major benefits I want to highlight. First, tags dramatically improve your product's search functionality. Watch what happens when I search for waterproof hiking boots in this store with proper tagging. See how the search returns exactly what we're looking for? The system is using tags to deliver more relevant results, even if those exact words don't appear in the product title. Increase sales through better product discovery. When a customer views a product with specific tags, they can easily find related items. Let me show you. Look at that. A customer looking at waterproof boots can now discover waterproof jackets, backpacks, and other gear they might need. This kind of discovery drives up your average order value. The third benefit is improved site navigation. Let me demonstrate with this tag cloud here. As you can see, customers can jump directly to products with specific features they're interested in. It's a much more intuitive way to shop. Finally, tags provide valuable market insights. Let's take a quick look at this tag analytics dashboard. This data shows which features are trending with your customers. Notice how clicks on sustainable tags have increased 40% this quarter? That's actionable intelligence for your inventory planning and marketing. Product tag extensions for Magento 2. Now let's talk about implementation. Since Magento 2 doesn't have built-in product tag functionality, you'll need to use an extension. Here are 3 excellent options to consider. First, we have the MGT-COMMERCE product tag extension. This is a comprehensive solution that offers customizable tag displays on your product pages. What I particularly like about this extension is how it integrates with Magento's SEO features, allowing you to use your tags as meta keywords. It also provides multi-store support, which is essential if you're running sites in different languages. Another great option is the Land of Coder M2 product tag. This is a free alternative that still packs a punch. It allows you to create special tags like free shipping or best selling that can really catch a customer's attention. The tag sidebar feature is particularly nice, making navigation super intuitive for your visitors. The third option worth considering is Magepo's product tags extension. What sets this one apart is its advanced customization options. You can adjust the number of tags displayed, create custom URLs for your tags, and even configure tags through widgets to place them anywhere on your site. It's very versatile. Whichever extension you choose, the basic implementation process is straightforward. You'll install the extension, access the tag management section through your admin panel, and start creating and assigning tags to your products. Most extensions also provide bulk tagging options to save time. Best practices and conclusion. Before we wrap up, let me share a few best practices for effective product tagging. First, be consistent with your tag terminology. Look at these 2 products. Notice how one uses waterproof and the other uses water-resistant for the same feature? This confuses customers and fragments your search results. Second, limit each product to 5-7 relevant tags. This product has over 15 tags. That's too many. Finally, regularly review your tag performance and update accordingly. Remove underperforming tags and add new ones based on search trends. That's it! You now know what product tags are, why they matter, and the best extensions to implement them in your Magento store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more e-commerce optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!